creating images using Midjourney is not free anymore. Recently, AI tools is a hot topic for side hustles and money-making, like creating a storybook, logo design, print-on-demand business, etc. Midjourney was a main tool for it, but now Midjourney is no longer free to the public. So I was looking for new artificial intelligence that can make similar results. And finally, I found the perfect solution for AI art tools called Leonardo AI. Many people have curious about the quality of generating images with Leonardo, and it is okay for using commercial purposes. My answer is yes. So I checked each model and the images people were creating. Among the various results, already people are creating stickers, t-shirt designs, pattern designs, coloring books. Even there are few better features than Midjourney. 3 main points were Leonardo better than Midjourney. 1. Daily you can create 150 images for free. 2. Commercial use with free plan in Leonardo. But in Midjourney, commercial use of image created was only possible in the paid version. 3. No more prompt study is required, but in Leonardo, you don't need much effort to learn this tool, and there's a gallery and model you can refer to for image creation. The video consists of 4 sections. 1. How to access the site. 2 features of Leonardo. 3. How to use a generation tool to create images. 4. How to use AI Canvas to access Leonardo. Click the button Get Early Access and enter your email ID and click. Then click Join Discord. If you have an existing Discord account, you can join directly. If you don't have one, create your account. We're not making any images on this server, but we need to fill the foam, so try to select languages. And skip, and you can go to Fake directly, click the form link, fill out the form, write your name and email, and then go back to Leonardo AI site and click the Launch app and login with your email ID. Well done! This is home page. First, let's take a look at the features of the site. This is the token. 150 tokens are initially available if you used all your token. The next day, 150 tokens will be given again, which means daily you can create 150 images. First, features of home. Various types of image models are well classified. These featured models help to imagine the outcome of the images by checking the prompts and photo sets. Click Leonardo Diffusion on the home screen. In the case of Leonardo, it is good to use photo styles and artistic styles. Shall we check out more image examples? You can see various types of stickers, this cat and this wolf, Spider-Man, and cat were created as t-shirt designs. Next are cats and fruits in the form of a pattern. You can also check the logo. This kind of painting seems to be possible for wall paint as well. In the case of Dream Shaper Vive, photorealism and animation styles can be implemented. Looking at the created image, it seems to be suitable for creating animation characters and game characters in human form. You can find other models such as animal characters, RPGs, illustrations, and game items, so you can look around and choose the image style you want. Next, Community Feed. Community Feed shows recent images or trending images. If you like the image, hit the like button. Then you can check the images you like separately in Personal Feed. Next, in the Personal Feed, you can separately check the works you created before and the images you clicked, like the image that was liked in the Community Feed earlier, is stored separately. Click and check how the photo was set. You can check the image's information, how prompts were used to create images, and settings, and which model was used. Below the prompt, there are 3 buttons: Remix, Copy Prompt, as well as all other settings. Copy Prompt only copies the prompt. Image to images can be used in different forms based on images. Clicking the Remix button will take you to the AI Generation tool. This is the basic screen for creating images. You can check the prompts along with all other settings are copied. Modify the prompt a bit here, remove a cute dog and write a cute cat. Now a cute cat sticker was created. Let's learn more about the basic functions of the AI generation tool for image creation. In the center of the screen, here you can write prompts for creating an image. Below, you can see what your current settings are. It is currently set to Leonardo Diffusion. You can click to change the model. Below is the screen that shows the results when you press Generate. If you need ideas for generating prompts, using prompt generation can be a good idea. Ask for a prompt in the form of a similar sticker. Now you can see that multiple prompts are created. Then, the left of the screen below the token. The number of images is from 1 to 8. Images are created the same number you set. Let's click 4 and click the Generate, then you will get outcome images. And below, Prompt Magic creates more creative and experimental images. Image dimensions. Here you to adjust and select the size of the image you want. A guidance scale is a point how strongly your prompt is considered for creating images. Tilling, this effect is for repeating the textures and background. ControlNet is not available now. It will be available after uploading pictures here. This function creates a new image based on the original image. Upload the image, press the ControlNet button, and check the pose of the images. In general, it is difficult to describe poses in writing, but with this function, you can easily create an image with the same pose as the seed images. This is the result. Images are got the same pose as seed images. Next, I will make another image. This is the seed image. Click Image to Image and type in the prompt box Vincent van Gogh style and click the Generate button. We got this result. There is not much difference. I will reduce in its strength and generate again. This value controls what is centered between the prompt and the seed image. Closer to 0 will be more influenced by the prompt, and closer to 1 will produce an image closer to the seed image. Now I got a wonderful result. It is like Vincent van Gogh's style. This is how we can use the Image to Image tool. Let's check out how to upscale the images by first click the image, and you can download the images by clicking this button. In the case of unzoom, the picture is widened by expanding the periphery of the original image. Remove background. This button removes the background. When upscaling an existing image, the quality of the existing image increases. Creative is a little more detailed. Alternate is created in a slightly different format, and training a datasets is a function to create your own model by training AI in the style you want. Fine-tuned model, you can use models provided by Leonardo and models trained by users. The canvas has a function that automatically fills in the parts that fit the mood of the existing image. First, upload image. I will upload the famous painting Mona Lisa's. You can click the picture and adjust the size of the image. Also, you can increase the frame size by clicking the image dimensions and click the brush tool and write the prompts or style you want to add to the image. Paint the area you want to change. If you are done with painting, click Generate. It looks nice. Check the remaining 3 other designs you have created. I like the last one. This is Final Images, which was created by AI Canvas tool. Finally, training and datasets remain. This function seems to be useful for those who professionally create similar images over and over again. Click Training and upload similar types of images that you downloaded. The important point here is that the features of the images must have the same point. In my case, I trained a cartoon character with a big head and short arms and legs. When the upload is complete, set the final name and default settings for the image to be created. Wait until the image training is complete. Training. In my case, training was completed after waiting for about an hour. Let's create an image using the trained model. The image was created similarly to the trained model. It is an image of a cat with short arms and legs and a big head. How was the tutorial video? I hope you enjoyed this video. Now you can create images without Midjourney, right? It's easy to follow one by one, create an image with Leonardo. In the next video, I will share how I earn money monthly over $7,230 with my Amazon business. The biggest advantage of the Amazon business is that once you set it up, it doesn't take much time afterward. I recommend it for those who want to earn money with less time at home. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel, The Future of Work.